Hi, I'm David Straight with Weathermatic Tech Services, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a manual reset to a SmartLine or ProLine control panel. You'll need a 9-volt battery and a ballpoint pen for this procedure. Alright, so as you can see at the top of my screen here, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are my watering days. My program start time is 3:30 a.m. and my zone run times 12 minutes, 19 minutes, 4 minutes. We've got some time in the panel. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and turn the dial to the advanced menu position. And then we're going to open our panel here, the battery compartment, and add this 9-volt battery to the controller. We're going to be drawing power from this 9-volt battery temporarily while we reboot this panel, because we're going to need to access this reset button right here on the back of the panel with our ballpoint pen to press and release that button when we're ready. Okay, so now that we've got the battery in, we're seeing here that the battery is full and we have the no AC message on the display. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to press and hold both the up and the down buttons here on the right side of this panel. All right, and we're going to hold those buttons while we're pressing and releasing the reset button, and we're just going to continue to hold them until the screen displays clearing. All right, so here we go. Pressing and holding. And I'm going to press and release the reset button. Now, as soon as this says clearing, I can release these two buttons. And once the screen returns to normal, the factory reset has been completed. And we'll verify that here in a moment. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close the panel back up. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll notice that all 7 days of the week are now present. That is a factory default setting from this panel. Now, if we go to program start times, it's now set to off. Zone run times, now set to off. Oh, sorry. Are all set to off. And my days to water, again, I used to have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's now been reset to Sunday through Saturday. Sorry. But that's how you reset the SmartLine or ProLine panel physically or manually through this procedure. Thank you for using Weathermatic. If you have any needs or concerns, please reach out to us at 888-484-3776 or feel free to email us at support@weathermatic.com. Thank you.